Hello everyone, my name is Abhijit Yadav and welcome to my channel Creative Abhijit. And today in this video I will tell you each and everything about Chanson Karte visa, which is also known as a Germany Opportunity Card visa. So if you are dreaming of working in Germany but don't know how to start, then don't worry. In this video I will tell you each and so with the help of this visa you can directly go to the Germany and stay there for full 1 year. And during this period of time you can search for the full-time job, and once you get the full-time job then you can convert this visa into your work visa. Most important part of this visa is while searching for the job in Germany you can also do a part-time job to maintain your monthly expenses in Germany. So now the question arises, who can apply for this visa and how we can apply for this visa? So if you also have the same doubt, then watch this video till the end, because after this video your all doubt will be cleared. So Germany Opportunity Card visa launched in 1st of June 2024, and it is a kind of updated version of German job seeker visa. So let's quickly compare German job seeker visa to Opportunity Card visa, which is also known as a Chanson Karte visa. So the German job seeker visa used to allow you to go to Germany for a 6 months, and if you found a job within those 6 months then it was fine, but if you not, then you had to return back to your country. However, now with this Opportunity Card visa you can go to Germany for a full 1 year. You don't get a full-time job within that 1 year. Still you have an option to extend that visa for 1 more year. But the condition is you can extend this visa only 2 times. Like maximum you can extend this visa 2 times. So now coming to the part, like who are the one who is eligible for this visa, the most asked questions on YouTube. If you have a degree or graduation which is equivalent to the German education and approved by UCC and AICT, then you are directly eligible for this visa. But if you don't have any degree or graduation which is equivalent to the German education, in that kind of scenario you still have one option left. If you have 2 years of experience in any particular domain. So for eligibility, German government has introduced point-based system in which you need to score 6 points out of 14, and you are able to score 6 points out of 14 in Germany point-based system, then also you are eligible for this visa. So if you are meeting this all criteria and you are below the age of 14, then simply you can apply for this visa. Now let's understand the point-based system in which you need to score 6 out of 14 in a point-based system which is introduced by German government. We will talk about the experience. So if you have 2 years of experience, then according to the point-based system you will get 2 points. But if you have a 5 years of experience, then according to this point-based system you will get 3 points. Now come to the language. If you know A2 level German, then you will get 1 point. But if you know B1 level German, then you will get 2 points. And if you know B2 level German, then you will get 3 points. And so if your age is below 35, then also you will get 2 points. And if your age is more than 35 but below than 40, then you will get only 1 point. And as I told you earlier in this video that if your age is above 40, then you are not eligible for this visa. In that kind of situation you can apply in the job seeker visa, in which you can get a chance to stay in Germany for a 6 months. And apart from it, if you have C1 level English certificate, then also you will get 1 additional point. And in this visa, if your spouse is also applying for this visa and he or she is also eligible for this visa, then also you will get one more point. If you have stayed in Germany for 6 months or more than that, so in that kind of scenario also you will get one more point. So if you are known and your any relative is currently living in Germany and you are applying for this visa, so in that kind of situation also you will get one more point. So guys, this is how German government is calculating point-based system. So under this point-based system, which is introduced by German government, you need to score 6 points out of 14. And if you also want to check your eligibility under this point-based system, then you can simply visit the official website, which is annavina.com. I will try to provide this website link in the description box. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, then please like, share and subscribe this video. Thank you. Have a good day. See you in the next video.